I do.
I do. the ones that fell on the concrete are like, seriously?
I'm like, seriously?
That's cool.
Unbelievable. Some of them are still hanging on.
This doesn't always work, but this is what I try first because it's more gentle than other ways of doing it.
So if the queen's in the box, will the other ones that are on the branch eventually come down?
Yeah, they'll start to fan and basically tell each other, come on, come on, come on, let's go here. So we'll see if it works. We can look in there and see there's a lot in there.
Look at that.
They're all fanning. The other fanning.
Just fascinating.
So where would the queen be?
You see how they're all, you can almost hear them.
I can hear them.
So when they have pheromones that they're blowing out with their wings, when you see their wings up and their tails up, they have pheromones that they're blowing out saying, come on, come on, come on, come on. So I may trim this too. I don't really have to, but just take them with you.
Okay, I'm gonna head on right over my mouth. I'm gonna work on that at home because I can come up with everything except the others.
It'd be kind of cool to have this person teach this group.
All right. We'll work on it tomorrow.
Maybe she could come in and give a talk. Ah!
Yep. Take care of most of them.
How would somebody figure out they can do this?
Those ones up there